Hello everyone, a special thank you to Aaron in Casper, Wyoming. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed in quality. I just want to thank Aaron for a 2-pair purchase, and every once in a while you just have to show people how nice a frame looks. By the way, Aaron is getting the RayBan 4340, size 50 in color 601. Of course, it comes with all the original packaging from RayBan, including the Italian leather soft leather case, along with the RayBan cleaning cloth and junk mail, and of course the packaging from Zeiss. But this is the Wayfarer without the panoscopic tilt, which means the original Wayfarer they came up with in 1952 tilts away from the eyebrows towards the cheek, letting sunlight come in. So every 50 years you have to redesign a frame. They have it more upright, that actually blocks more light. Now this frame originally comes with the green G15 lenses. Aaron got the gray with the silver mirror. This is the high luster silver mirror to match the silver trim on the RayBan frame, the shield on each side, and of course that, and just how good that looks. Man, that looks good. And of course I can do any color for you. This is the color he got. There's a matte silver and a shiny silver, and he got the shiny silver. I can do a matte gold, a shiny gold, a matte blue, strong blue, the cool blue, which is the new color I really love, a green, and a red. But I just want to show everyone how good this frame looks. I'm going to get these expedited out to him. And do me a favor, subscribe and like the video so you can get notified every time there's a new frame and lens combination available. You can, if you have any questions, go to the contact me page of the website. You can also leave a question or comment in the comment section below. But Aaron in Casper, Wyoming, thank you for your purchase of your 2 purchases, this just being one of them. And now hopefully everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.